Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video on we are moving to another option in this ribbons to add column. Till now we have covered up this home and then transform. In this video we are going ahead with this add column ribbon. Under that we are having first option as column from example, in which we are having sub options as from all columns and from selection. We will be watching the functionality of this particular option column from example in this video. So let's get started with the video. Here we are having two options into this column from example, that are from all column and from selection. So basically these three options, whatever you can see, these all options are there to create a column, as the ribbon itself is telling that you need to add a column. Then you will be proceeding ahead with this add column ribbon. Under that we are having first option is this one. So basically we when we will click on it, we are having two again sub options from all columns. It is nothing but if we want to create a custom column with having consideration from all columns, and we will be taking example from all columns, not the term come here that what is example. So basically it's nothing but it works on the sample you will provide from other columns into your new column. Better you will understand when I will execute these things. So that is the main motto of this from all column option there. Another option is from selection. From selection is nothing but when you will be creating your new column, your sample values will be taken from, and the sampling will be done from the selected column, whatever you will select, and then you will click on this option from selection. That particular column will only be considered into that sample into the new column, that the custom column. So let me proceed ahead with this option from all column. It will consider all column whatever right now we are having, and it is asking us to provide just to provide us some sample value so that it can go ahead and create a custom column. Suppose right now we are having this order date, ship date, order ID, row ID. So there are multiple things. Okay, so suppose we are having this ship mode, correct, and we are having this order ID. If we are required with a column which will be the concatenation, which will be the combination of this order ID and then ship mode. Suppose this is the use case we are considering in this video. So suppose we want to create this concatenation order ID and ship mode, we may have to write certain number of codes, or if we are using mQuery to execute this particular transformation, or we may need to go ahead with different options to concatenate these two columns and create a new column. But here we are having a easy way to come up with this particular solution. Is just we need to do one thing. What we will do is we'll just do, suppose CA, and whatever it is there, CA 2017152156. Fine, this is the order ID, and underscore we will write. We will take ship mode from this one, since we are concatenating, right? Second second class. Let's see, and then we will enter city control plus enter. As soon as we do this, it will automatically generate a column with named as merged. We can change this as well. So suppose custom all column. So selected all column we have taken up, so I have just written it there, something like custom all column. On click of it, you can see that we are having all these values here concatenated with this ship mode. It is intelligently picking up this order ID under score SIP mode. So this is one example which will make your life easy, and it will help you in your project if you want some direct implementation from on the basis of column, not on the there are again I told you that there are multiple ways to do it, not only this way. You can go ahead with the mQuery query language also. There are multiple things like that, but here it's the simple way that since you are watching that there is a one order ID and there is SIP mode, and just you are concatenating on the basis of underscore there. So and other rest of the rows it has taken it by its own. So this is all we told them by on the as an example, and it did its job, right? So this is only the basic cooperation into this option, that is a custom column from example. Now we will click on OK. You can see that we are having this column ready in front of us with name as custom all column which we provided, and you can see everything, it is appropriately there. Hope this is clear to you. Now another option we are having is from selection, column from example and then from selection. It is nothing but if you want to have example, or if we want to set one example with one selected column only, suppose for example I am just taking up this row ID just for example. It's nothing, we can take some other as well, like here customer name, it is over there, right? And if we want to take one example that in this customer name we want only first name from each of the rows, and we want to create a new column which will contain only first name. So what we will do is we have selected this particular column. Now what we can do from selection, it will tell us we will first rename this as first name. Fine. Customer name, here what we can do is we can provide one example to tell Power Query Editor that what we want, actually CLARAIRE, right? Fine. So once on the click of Control plus Enter, it will take its by its own. So you can see that how smartly it has picked its all first name from this customer name. The first names are into this new custom column with us. Now on click on OK, it will give you all first name in whole rows whatever into this whole data set. So this is how this particular option is working, and it is a very useful option as we don't need to have any lengthy operation. We just need to have a layman use case, or we can say that layman option in front of us to deal up with some logical operation. So that's it for this video. Any confusion, let me know into the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for new upcoming videos like custom column, invoke custom function, all these options I will be coming up in the next video. Stay tuned for those videos as well.